Here we are at the TW Ward's CNC showroom in Sheffield in front of the Hartford PRO1000. We'll be reviewing this machine. It's in stock right now and it packs a punch. Wow, we are here in Sheffield and we've got a machine in stock right now, the Hartford PRO1000, Wayne, but there's another one in stock somewhere else in the UK as well, right?
That's right, we have two of these in stock and the other one's located in our Redditch facility. They are not geographically bound for anyone who's within the UK.
Brilliant. And here at TW Ward's CNC, you've got loads of machines around in the showroom.
Yep.
Really impressive place. We're talking today about the PRO1000. What do customers need to know about this machine, Wayne?
So the PRO1000, in this case, is a 1 metre vertical machining centre. It's a box guide construction. It's got a 6,000 RPM geared spindle on a BBT40 taper, and it's got a 30 station, which is an extra, well, I'm going to say 6 stations more than what usually comes with, arm type tool changer.
Yeah, can be deceiving. It looks like a standard 1 metre VMC, but it is absolutely robust, right? What can customers expect to make on a machine with box guideways and a geared spindle?
This machine, with that configuration, going to lend itself to the general engineering market. The geared headstock will help with the more heat-resistant alloys. We get good torque characteristics and low RPM performance, so for heavy-duty milling applications or U-drills, very common to be U-drilling on these machines. We're going to punch that through the material with very little resistance.
Yeah, you can imagine with a rigid machine and a geared spindle like that, you can have big tools chunking out material at like those low RPMs. Brilliant. And you've got an application showing off some steel machining. What are you showing off here?
So predominantly people will associate a geared spindle, low RPM performance with heavy cutting applications, but just to prove the point, we've done a high dynamic trochoidal milling exercise and we've been feeding through this with a 1.5mm radial engagement at over 5 meters a minute, just to demonstrate at that point that there is a good element of flexibility, so most engineers can put multiple types of work on this and get good performance from it.
And there's actually a lot of other options as well that come as standard that engineers wouldn't necessarily expect from a machine like this.
No, we bring a number of additional options in as standard for the UK market. For instance, all our machines come with a 4th axis preparation. We've got full CCTV in there. It's very difficult sometimes with coolant and high pressure suds that are going on to see what's going on, so we have a camera within the working area so we can always visualize what's going on, and that's easily seen on the second screen there on the control. As well as the high pressure coolant, we've got air blast there so we can do dry machining and still evacuate the area so we aren't getting any swab contamination around the cutters. And we bring an increased capacity arm type tool changer in there with a 30 pocket carousel.
You can imagine with the 4th axis prep or with the big bed, actually with the extra 30 tools, you can do different jobs and still have enough tools in the package to not have to change over tooling packages.
That's right. It allows end users to potentially consider multiple setups with minimal downtime, switching between various components with leaving a standard tool suite in the machine.
And don't forget, this machine is in stock right now in Sheffield and another one in Redditch, available all across the nation. What happens if someone buys this machine? What's their time to first part, I guess, first good part at their workshop?
So from point of PO, we'll go from there, we'll launch our kick-off meeting for the project within the business. Delivery at the shortest could probably be within a week, certainly within 2 weeks, or beyond that it would be at customer request. Training and that, installation, would take place straight after delivery. Installation on a machine of this nature, 1 day, maybe 1.5, just depending on what we're trying, where the final resting place in the workshop might be. And then training can proceed from there. Depending on the familiarity of the control to the end user, it might be 1 or 2 days, they might want a week. We can do that within a classroom environment here at our facilities in Sheffield, but more often than not, the customer likes to do it within their facilities on their parts, so the technicians being trained are familiar with what's going on.
And once customers making good parts on their workshop, the after-sales care is really important to TW Wards.
Absolutely. The after-sales is really the relationship that we want to cement with the customer. Comes with a fully supported 2-year parts and labour warranty, and any service intervention is delivered by our own service team. We have telephone support as well. We endeavour to get out to a customer within 24 hours when that is possible. Depending on the proximity, we will endeavour to get someone there same day. We can also dial into the machine as well and do a diagnostic. And on many occasions, we can talk a customer and end user through the issue and get them going up in a minimal time, so they're back making components again.
Brilliant. So there's 2 robust machines in stock around the UK available from TW Wards with full service and support.